Okay, got a little short video for you this week. This is kind of an intermission video between all of the big nitty-gritty stuff and the little things that I couldn't film very well because they either were just very small or they didn't really require my presence.
I got coilovers, yay!
Okay, so this is one of the last pieces to the puzzle. I ordered these a week ago, and since they are custom, I didn't get any like Swift springs or upgraded springs or anything, but I did just get the extreme low version of the coils. I figured that if I wanted to get other springs and I wanted to go for a tighter spring, then I'm just gonna order custom, probably from 326 or something like that. But I just got the extreme low version just to see how they work for now. And they told me when I ordered them that it would take 3 or 4 weeks for them to be made, but then another week for them to be shipped. So I was expecting 5 weeks. And then I got a shipping notification that they've been sent out like 3 days ago. So they're here literally after a week. So that's badass. But this is like the final like big piece to the puzzle. Dude, they're so pretty. These are the fronts. One thing, I'll explain this when I do these and I actually install these. My car is so messed up and specific when it comes to this kind of shit. Notice it doesn't have a fucking top hat. Just so messed up. Oh shit. Okay. So I got this. I like this shirt a lot. The Vertex shirt. The steering wheel on the back. That's badass. And all the extras that I got. Blue hardware. Oh, it's brand new. Holy shit. Oh, it smells like leather. That's so badass. So this is my absolute favorite Vertex wheel. And I ordered this in November, right after my birthday. I think it was the day after my birthday. And I contacted Vertex, or they contacted me after I pressed my order, and they told me that it was out of stock. So I literally went to every aftermarket part store that I could think of, like places in the UK, Australia, like everywhere, and everyone said the same thing. It's out of stock because they get them from Vertex. So it was nowhere to be found. And I wanted a brand new one. I could have gotten it used on like Facebook Marketplace or something. I found a few. But I wanted this to be brand new because this is... I wanted it to be mine. When I ordered this from them and they told me it would be out of stock, they said it would be 16 weeks before they got it to me. And it's been right around 8 now. So I thought like I had like 8-10 more weeks to go before I got it. But they literally sent me the tracking number the same day that the coilovers went out. When I ordered this from BC, they told me that I couldn't have a different shipping address than my billing address. My billing address is for my dad's, but my shipping address, I was sending it to my mom's house because it's closer to my apartment. But they said that threw red flags and that they needed proof that I lived there and stuff. So whatever, I just changed my shipping address to Dad's. But then I had to sign for the package, and I had class that day. So this is a big mess to get this. But then this went to Mom's house. They didn't have any problems shipping it to Mom's house, but I still had to sign for this. But I couldn't sign for it either because it was the same day. And it's just a mess. But this is so badass.
Every single time I start a video now, I'm sick. I am sick today, but today is a really big day. Today is the start of building my car. Today is the only day, besides an alignment, where I have to go to a shop to get an alignment, where I have to go somewhere and have them do something. I have to have them stretch my tires today, because I don't trust just like tire discounters to do that. And I'm having them professionally roll my fenders, because I don't trust myself to do that, because I've seen how bad it can get. And I'm still scared to death of what they could do to my own fenders. They could bake in them, they could crack the paint. I don't know. But today's the only day where I have to go to a shop, and then after that, I can start to put all of these parts on. But this stack of tires, stack of wheels, tires will be mounted, and then I'll have 2 extras. I got one for the back and one for the front extra, just in case something bad happens. They were cheaper tires, so I prepared in case of debeating or just one pops or anything. But coils, tires, seats, wheels, extras. This is the first time I've ever showed all of this shit just sitting in my room, and it's taking up so much space, but I love it because it's all of the stuff that's going on my car. But once today is over, all of this stack of wheels will be here, all of this stack of tires, and everything will just be, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. But Dylan and Trevor are on their way over right now, because I had to have at least one of them come, because I can't fit all 4 wheels and all 4 tires in my car. But they're on their way over right now, and we're all gonna go over and watch my fenders get rolled and hope nothing bad happens. But yeah.
You trying to vlog and do that?
Yeah, look at me, I'm doing it.
It's hard to do.
Oh fuck, I didn't do it.
Tires? One tires in?
I put tires in my car. I set the tires here.
I can put them on. I have no big idea. I feel like I'm going to be carrying these and the bottom of the box is going to fall out and the wheel's just going to drop.
Don't say that.
Hey man, I need 2 tires. You think you can let me have 2 tires?
No.
Nigga, you have extra.
Sure. I could fit all 4, but if that's how you want to do it.
Okay, well, it took a solid 30 minutes to mount one tire. He said it was going to take a few hours to do this and roll the fenders, so I don't really want to be in here breathing down his neck. So we're going to go hang out, maybe go to the mall, go get something to eat, but I don't want to just be in there just watching them. So we'll be back. They're going to give me a call when it's done.